Hi and good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be doing lesson 17 of getting ready for 5th grade. The next few lessons are going to be a little more difficult because these are brand new concepts for us. So try to follow along as best as you can, and if you have any questions, please let me know. So to begin with, we're going to be talking about locating points on a grid. Locating points on a grid are basically finding where two areas meet, two numbers. A grid will help you count the spaces in between to find how many places you have to move. Now, in this grid, you're only going to have one part of the grid, and that's what we're going to be learning this year. Next year, you'll be learning more parts of the grid, but the steps will remain the same. In order to find these 2 points on a grid, you need to have an ordered pair. An ordered pair is a pair of numbers that name a point on a grid. For example, this is an ordered pair. The first number tells you how many places to move to the right horizontally, and the second number tells you how many places to move up vertically. In 5th grade, you're going to learn how to move right or left horizontally and vertically up or down. But in this video, you're only going to be learning one section of the grid, so you'll only have to learn to move right and up. So here is an example of what we call a grid. Now, this grid has only one part. Notice that you have one section of numbers. If this was an entire grid, you would have another grid here, another grid here, and another grid here to make 4 coordinate planes. Here, we call these points coordinates. They're locations. And so like when we map an ocean, we use coordinates because there's no streets. So they use numbers and invisible lines to help them find different places on the ocean. Here are the steps in order to find points on a grid or to draw a point on a grid. You're always going to start at 0. When you go to 0, remember, the first number of your pair will tell you how many places to move to the right. So here, if my first ordered pair, my first number is 3, I'm going to start at 0, move 3 places, 1, 2, 3. And then when I land here, because I'm already at the 3, I need to go to the next number. So this tells me where to move to the right, and this tells me how many places I need to move up. So here, if my ordered pair is 3, 6, and I want to plot A at 3, 6, okay? That means that I'm going to start at 0, move to the 3, and move up 6. So I'm going to go all the way to the 6, and where those 2 points meet, I draw my point and I label it. Okay, we're going to do one more. So if this was my coordinate plane, for B, again, I'm going to start at 0, and I'm going to move 4 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to move 7 places up, all the way up, and this is where I land, and I draw my new point. In these sections, you will learn to identify points on a plane. What if I drew a point on a plane, and I said to give me the coordinates for C? Again, I would follow the same steps. I would start at 0, move to the right, and then go up. So I'm going to move all the way to the line that the C is on, which is 6, and move all the way up to see where it meets, which is 5. So my first number is going to be 6, and my second number is going to be 5. On your lesson today, you're going to be working with even numbers only, and you're going to be working with identifying points on a plane, a coordinate plane, and identifying coordinates for letters and points on a plane. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to text me so that we can discuss the questions that you have. If you need to rewatch the video, please rewatch it. Make sure you take your notes. And again, have a great day.